Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn about how to install Oracle SQL Developer on Windows. So first of all, mandatory requirements are we required Oracle Express Edition and Oracle SQL Developer. And apart from that, we required Oracle account mandatory. If we don't have Oracle account while installing, automatically it will be redirecting into the Oracle account authentication session. So for me, I have already everything. First, we should have to install Oracle Database Express Edition. Based on your compatibility version, you can download either it might be the 64-bit or 32-bit based on your laptop compatibility version. For me, it's already installed. After completion of the installation, you will see one zip file. After extracting the zip file, you will see this kind of different folders. I'll show you. So you can see this kind of zip file. After extracting the zip file, you can see different types of the folders in the zip file. Yeah, this is the one. Simply, you can double click on this setup. After you click on this setup, it will ask a license agreement. You can simply accept the license agreement. After that, it will ask one password for installation. As this DBA is a user, and what is the password you should have to give. You can give the password and remember the same password for connecting to the Oracle database later. So this is Oracle Express Edition download version. Okay, after completion of Oracle Express Edition, we should install Oracle SQL Developer. Simply you can type in Google how to install Oracle SQL Developer. Simply Oracle SQL Developer. This is the link. Oracle SQL Developer download. Once you click on this, it will redirect you to respective link. Here also same, whatever the version you want to install, either 64-bit or 32-bit based on your laptop compatibility version, you can install. Once installation process completed, while installing this Oracle 64-bit or 32-bit, once you click on this installation, it will automatically redirect you to Oracle page for asking credentials. Without having Oracle account, you can't create. It should very simple. Just authenticate with the Gmail and password only. That's very simple. After completion of installation process, you will see one zip file. For me, I have already downloaded. You can see this zip file. I have used this 17.2 version. After extracting this zip file, you will see this SQL developer, and these all are the required binaries for supporting SQL developer. You can see this is the SQL developer. If you double click on this, the process will be completed. I mean, the installation process will be begin. Okay, after installing all the required binaries, you can see this kind of page, Oracle SQL developer page. You can see. Okay, if you are connecting first time, you don't know how to connect to database, which database we should have to connect to, we don't know. So we should create a connection, so by using this plus symbol, new connection. We required all the information, username and password and host name, port. So here we are using local. Don't disturb these things. We required only username and password. Connection name we can give whatever you want to give. It's your custom. Okay, next, username and password. How you should create username and password. Once this Oracle SQL Developer and Oracle Express Edition was installed properly, you can open command prompt. Once you open command prompt, just to type SQL plus, it will ask for username and password. Just to type this sys as sysdba. That means I am trying to connect with the sys user, sys password as sysdba as an admin. I am trying to connect with the admin credentials. You have successfully logged. After that, I am trying to create another session. I mean, I am trying to create a user identified by password. This is the password and here is the user. Okay, I am trying to grant all the permissions to the user what I have created. Okay, next, yeah, this is a HR username and password. For me, it was locked. That is the reason I have unlocked the account. Next, after granting the respective permissions to the your user account, grant sysdba to the your user account. Simply, you can come to here and will try to connect. Same, this is the user and whatever the password you have given. For me, I have given as this is. Later I want to modify, I can modify. Next to host name and port and xe. So this is the credentials information. Okay, after you have entered, simply you can try to test the existing connection. Test, it will succeeded. Still you are facing any kind of issues or unable to connect. If you are facing any kind of issues, then you should come to services. Services, here you will see Oracle services. Let me type. Here you can see Oracle service and agent, listener. These three services are must and should up and running. If it is not running properly, you will face authentication issues. Okay, simply it's connected now. Connect. Here you can see Oracle. Here I don't have any username and password here. Sorry, here I don't have any tables in my schema, but I have tables in HR schema. Oh, sorry. Here it's not exist. Let me connect to, I have connected wrong. Yeah, let me connect to HR. 1 minute. Sorry, it's employee table. Yeah, employees table. You can see. Okay, in Chintak it's not allowing, but in Oracle HR schema you can see the tables is available. In my own schema I have created, I don't have any tables and I don't have any permissions for that. So later I will create tables in my own schema. This is my own schema I have created. You can see I don't have any tables here now. That's why you can't find any tables information. So this is the way we can connect to Oracle database. And here, once you have connected Oracle database, uh, we have extension. That means Oracle provided in latest versions, it's provided extension also. Oracle SQL Developer extension for VS Code. If you plug in this extension, we can able to connect to Oracle SQL Developer in Visual Studio. I have already connected. You can see here. Once you have plug in this Oracle SQL Developer extension for VS Code, you can see this kind of symbol. If you click on this symbol, for me, I have already connected. If you want to connect, here there is an option is available. You can see here there is an option is available. So if you open this, 1 minute. Yeah, you can see here plus symbol. If you click on this plus symbol, it will ask for connection name, connection details. So for example, I am giving Oracle my user credentials. I am giving my user and my password, whatever the password I am using, and local host will be the local host. Okay, next port will be the same and service name will be the XE. Where you will get this information means once you have already connected, just to right click on the respective connection and properties. If you open this, you will get all the required information. Whatever the required information you want to use, you can take and you can use everything. Here, simply click on test passed for connection. That means it's succeeded. Next, save. You saved the connection. You want to open. Actually, for me, I don't have anything. That's why it's not showing. So let me show you in HR. In HR, the table and yeah, you can see here in HR schema. In HR schema, tables are already present. You can see here countries, employees, and job history. Let me take and let me copy paste the same query. So here the option is available, SQL worksheet. If you type SQL query here, there is a run button available here. If you run this, you can see the employee information you can see here. Whatever you can able to see from Oracle, complete information you can see here. The commission and manager ID, department ID, everything will be the same because it's connected backend in the Oracle database. But the tool will be different. Here I am using Visual Studio Code and here I am using SQL Developer. So that's all about this video, guys. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you.